Liam had long found comfort in a strange belief that everything he thought of as himself was only an illusion stitched together by his brain. And there had never been a solid, sovereign Liam at all. He believed the same was true for everyone, because the separation between a person and the universe, or between one individual and another, was not real. Consciousness was simply a phenomenon, an anomaly conjured by the brain. Because of this, Liam told himself, he would always exist in some sense. Not as Liam, not as an individual, but because as long as human beings survived, some brain somewhere would generate another illusion of self, and that illusion would awaken and call itself I, just as he had. It gave him a certain comfort to believe that he was not a special, sovereign soul at all, but just something a brain had created. And as long as there were brains, there would be consciousness. And as long as there was consciousness, there would always be another I. But it wasn't reincarnation, not exactly. It felt more like a universal field of awareness, a presence that stretched across humanity, waiting for new minds to tune into it. Liam imagined consciousness as a vast, invisible field that our brains intercepted, like antennas, where the brain tricked us into thinking we were unique beings. But if we could see past the trick, we might get a glimpse at the truth. We were all one thing, an endless continuity, a single current flowing through countless forms. So when Liam thought of death, he imagined darkness, yes, but only for the illusion called Liam, because consciousness itself would go on, and another mind would rise from the same current, believing it was I, believing it was separate. So Liam, the illusion, would not return, but the phenomenon of selfhood would. And that realization was enough. He did not feel like a soul with a destiny. He felt like a brief shape formed by a vast, endless sea of awareness. And in that realization, however fragile, he found a quiet kind of peace. Something formless, maybe a coping mechanism. But who cares?